today's video. So we are starting off in the living room. Again, this is like the pre-cleaning before I went on holiday. So I'm just sorting out the living room, ready for the pet sitters to come and look after Cooper and the cats. Just giving the sofas a hoover. These were definitely overdue. They also definitely need a scrub again with the carpet cleaner, but I did not have time to do that on this day. So we're just hoovering them or vacuuming them with the Henry and then scrubbing the living room floor. This is the first time I'm scrubbing the floors with the dustpan and brush store floor scrubber, and it was very dirty, very muddy, as this is the main area that Cooper sleeps and constantly walks in and out of the house with mud everywhere. Moving on, we're just going to do a quick upstairs bathroom clean. I'm literally just spraying the tiles on the bath with some Soufflora and giving it a mop. And then we move on to the kitchen. I'm scrubbing the cupboards as again. My house is literally just full of mud all the time, and it's just me wiping mud off various surfaces from the dog. As the cats don't go out, so they don't cause too much mess. So that is what we're doing. We're going to wipe down all of the cupboards, and then we wipe down the surfaces and give it a hoover and a mop. Also just included some little road trip clips that I filmed on my phone, which I thought would be quite cute to add in at the end, as we drove through the lakes and then up to Gretna, stayed in Gretna for a night, and then went across to Edinburgh for a few days. It was raining the entire time until the final day that we had to drive home, which is typical. It was a good trip. It was for my partner's birthday, and he wanted to do like the roads that were on, I think it's like Forza Horizon. There's a game. He wanted to drive the roads that were on there and like see places that were on the map there or something. I don't know. So that's what we did. It was really fun. Definitely not excited to be back at work and back doing, usual 9 to 5 things, but it's always nice to go away. So I just thought I'd pop this in at the end. And thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you very soon. Bye.